Hello friends, my name is Jyoti Somavanshi. We are going to learn about object-oriented programming concept in Java. Here, the 6 object-oriented concepts. Firstly, class, object, inheritance, encapsulation, polymorphism, and abstraction. Let's see one by one. First, class. What is meant by class? Class is a collection of data member and member function. Class is created using a keyword of class. Class links the code and data. Let's see the example. Class of student. Here the integer roll number and string name, it is a data member of a class. And get roll number, get name and display details is the member function of a class. Data members, it means a variable declaration in a previous C++, and member function, it means a member of method of a class. Let's see, the second concept is object. Object is a collection of runtime entity. There are the copy of the class. Each of them the properties and behavior. Here the properties are defined through a data elements and behavior is defined through the member function called a method. Basically, object is a collection of runtime entity and entity is a collection of attributes, behaviors, etc. Let's see the example. Here the student class is store the attributes and methods. Here the 3 objects are created, student 1, student 2 and student 3. They store all the copy of content in the student 1 and student 2 as well as student 3. Let's see the third condition of inheritance. Inheritance is the process of acquiring properties and behaviors from one object to another object or one class to another class. Here the inheritance concept, the class which provides the properties is called a parent class and the class which receives the properties is called a child class. The parent class is also known as a base class or superclass, and the child class is also known as derived class or subclass. Basically, inheritance is a reuse of code of object-oriented programming. Let's see the example. Here, grandparent property inherited parent and parent property inherit to children. It is a hierarchical process in the inheritance. In the inherited, it means access to the own property to the subclass as well as superclass. Encapsulation. Encapsulation means a binding different things together. Encapsulation brings all fields and methods together and bind into a single unit. Name class which provide a security as well. In short, encapsulation is providing higher security to another concept. It's like a capsule which encapsulates its different ingredients together with a cover. Similarly, class bring all methods and fields together and provide security so that outside world cannot be accessed its member without authorization. Encapsulation in Java is the process of wrapping code and data into a single unit like a class. Here, variable and method in a store in a proper manner through a proper wrapping is a capsule. It means a class. And the next is polymorphism. Polymorphism is the process of defining same method with different implementation. That means creating multiple methods with different behaviors. Like poly is a Greek word and morphism it many forms. Here the Java use a method overloading and method overriding to implement a polymorphism. Method overloading the multiple methods with the same name but different parameters, and method overriding multiple methods with the same name and same parameter. Let's see the example. Here the lady is a person to handle multiple roles like employee, wife, mother and daughter. It means one property is to handle multiple methods. Next and last, abstraction. Abstraction is hiding the internal details and showing only essential functionality. In the abstraction concept, we do not show the actual implementation to the end user. Instead, we provide only essential things. For example, if we want to drive a car, we do not need to know about the internal functionality, like how wheel system and brake system works. Here, the one person wants to drive a car. There are two conditions: car without abstraction and car with abstraction. Here, car without abstraction look a cabinet, engine, etc. And car with abstraction, it means a properly car. Thank you. Friends, please like, subscribe and share. Press the bell icon. Thank you.